PooBaaTV.
Sneeze? Achoo. What should I do? Mimi, as she learns how to sneeze the healthy way, using her elbow or a tissue. That sneezy breeze just couldn't wait. Achoo! What should I do? Achoo! Mimi, as she learns how to sneeze the healthy way, using her elbow or a tissue. That sneezy breeze just couldn't read. Achoo! What should I do? Mimi learned just what to do. Elbow up and achoo right through. Now germs stay close, they don't escape. Healthy habits super great. Achoo! What should I do? Achoo! What should I do? Achoo! What should